welcome to another Angel on the Go video. We are in yet again the clearance aisle in Walmart, and look what we found. This is the Ozark Trail, and we found this once before. Manny was so excited. I think it was a fox, right? All right, we found a fox before, and Manny's been looking at for that one since. But this one is actually the shark. Comes with this is the headlamp, and then it comes with this little piece. So it's a two-piece shark LED lantern and headlamp set. Look at that. And turn it to the back. So again, it's a two-piece outdoor equipment if you want to go camping with your kids. Let me show you the UPC. There you guys go. Babe, it smells like Christmas trees. It smells like Christmas trees over here. All right, so you guys can see the regular price is $12.94, and it's all the way down to $6.45 only on Angel on the Go. They have a few over here, so we're actually gonna wait until they go down a little bit more. But I smell Christmas trees. Look at this. Oh, these are fire logs. Oh, that's what I've been smelling. I was making a video here and I kept smelling this, you guys. Normal price on this is $19.88 down to $15. Can you scan that for me? I'm gonna definitely wait for these to go down, but when they do, I'm taking all of these. And not only do I have the candles that smell like Christmas trees, but I'm also gonna have the fire logs that Manny is gonna hate. It smells so good. Here's the UPC. And it says 3-hour burn time. It looks like there's 4 logs in every box. I cannot wait for that to go down. How much are they?
15.
Oh, are you sure? I don't believe you. Is it 15? You see, Manny would tell me it's 15, but it's really $1. So I'm gonna scan it in a minute. But he's saying these are 15, and if they are 15, I'm gonna wait until they go down to at least 3 or 5, and I am coming to take 2, 4, 6, and 8.
We don't need that many.
We need it.
No.
We need it. All right, the next item I found is this Ozark Trail 9-inch spoon. What is this for?
Yeah, you're eating out in the woods.
Oh, camping. Well, I don't go camping because I don't do bugs, but I see that it's 60 cents. So you guys can't beat 60 cents. If you guys need a 9-inch spoon, 60 cents. Here's the UPC. So go run if you plan on going camping and you're mixing beans. All right, up next we have, man, you gotta help me with this because I don't have no clue what it is, but I know the brand is Duck. And it says Max Strength Replacement Door Seal. What is that?
The part that seals it up so no bugs and cold and stuff don't get in there.
All right, Manny said you seal it up. Oh, heavy duty seal, won't crack, fade, or peel. It has 1 replacement seal, lifetime guarantee, so I guess that's good. And regular price is $10.88 down to $5. I have no clue what this is, but if you need a replacement door seal, it's $5 at Walmart. Here's the UPC. And I guess this is how you use it. All right. Now, I'm not even going to lie. I have no clue. And when I don't have a clue, I want something this, I'm going to let you guys know. So you guys let me know in the comments what exactly this is for. Is this to keep the door sealed, or is it to prevent bugs from coming in?
It's the little gap in the side of the door.
Manny, you don't even know. All right, let us know below what this is, you guys. It's only $5. All right, you guys, look at this. Now, I just grabbed, so I really don't know exactly what this is, but I think it might be a deluxe. Okay, it says necklace fan. See it right here? And I believe the name is the O2 Cool. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, O2 Cool. You guys can see the price right here. And these are the 3 colors I found. I found the purple, the blue, and the hot pink. Oh, Manny had one. sorry, and the gray. So we found 4 different ones. And again, the brown is O2 Cool. And it looks like this is, again, a deluxe necklace fan. All right, so it's hands-free, necklace fan, desk fan, and clip fan. So it's a 3-in-1. All right, and I'm gonna show you the different UPCs. Again, they're only $2. All right, this is the UPC for the gray.
Same UPC.
Is it the same?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go down the line. Manny said it's the same. I forgot my glasses again. But here's the UPCs. So again, they have the gray, purple, blue, and pink for only $2. And you guys, we're gonna grab a few of these because when we go to like Universal or Disney, if we plan on going, these would be great for the kids because it is hot out there. And if you try to buy one of them fans at Disney or Universal, how much are they?
Like $20, I think.
Nah, they're like $200. So if you guys are at Walmart, check these out. They're only $2. All right, up next, you guys know I always get cold. This is a personal electric ceramic heater. I'm not sure how well this works, but it's super cute, super small. And if you want to test it, it's only $5. Here's the name. And again, it's a ceramic heater. It says for small spaces, fast heat, and it has a 250 watts. Sorry, I don't have my glasses. We turn it around so you guys can see. That's what it looks like. So it's super cute. And we found 3 over there. I took one because I'm going to try this when I get home. Here's the UPC. And let me flip it around here. All right, again, regular price, it says $10.94 down to $5. I'm pretty sure if you wait maybe a few days, this might go down to $2.50. But I'm gonna go ahead and get one and see how it works. But if you guys need a small ceramic heater, this one is on sale at Walmart for only $5. All right, up next we have White Lightning, which is the brand. And I'm gonna try to get through this because I have no clue what it is, but it's Clean Street. It's a quick dry bicycle chain degreaser. What is that?
Like the bicycle chain.
Okay. Manny said bicycle chain. It says 14 fluid ounces. Let me show you the UPC. Comes with this little thing right here. I have no clue what this is. Here's the UPC. And again, this is a bicycle chain degreaser. And look at that. Boom. That's all I care about. It went from $6.96. Is that a 6 or 8? That's a 6.
Right.
All right. It went from $6.96 down to $1. Boom. $1. Whatever this is, it's only $1. If you guys need it, go. Run right now. Angel on the go. $1. All right. Up next, I actually found this too. This is also an O2 Cool. And this is a pocket fan. This is the only one I found, you guys, was the pink. But maybe in your stores they have like blue, gray, black, something like that. It says it also includes the battery. So that's good. So I guess you use AA batteries. And let me show you this. Boom. 75 cents. 75 cents. I mean, you can't beat this. I bet if I take this to one of these parks out here, I can sell this for like $10. $10. All right, so here's the UPC. And the next time you guys are at Walmart, make sure to visit your clearance aisle or visit the aisle where they have like these little fans. And this one might be 75 cents in your area. All right, you guys, we just came from the clearance aisle and look what we found. Now I'm gonna tell you guys right now, we actually have 2 cats and I'm so cheap that I never feed them this good stuff. Is that cheap? We always get our cats dry food. And plus I'm scared that they're gonna be coughing up this stuff and getting it all over my floors. But we found some healthy, what does that say? Healthy gourmet cat food. Yeah, this cat food. And it's on clearance. So Shadow and Riley, You about to eat good this week. I'm so cheap. All right, the first thing we found in clearance. This is a 12 count. Okay, and I guess this is like the wet cat food. And again, this is Healthy Gourmet. This one comes with 4 of the indoor chicken entrees, 4 of the turkey and chicken entree, and 4 of the ocean fish and tuna entree. Man, these cats are eating good. Whose cat is eating like this?
That's like the restaurant I went to.
Oh, man. Okay, our cat's going to be spoiled this week. Okay, so you get a total of 12 for this. And let me go ahead and turn it around. Here's the UPC. And they actually had 2 boxes over there. So I'm going to have Manny go over there and grab the second one. Regular price on this. Look at the regular price, you guys. $14.57. Almost $15 for this? I only paid $3 for their food. I've been doing these cats wrong. I'm sorry, you guys. All right. It's all the way down to $5.25. $5.25 for all these. So how much does that make each one? $5.25. Let's do the math. Come on. Got you on the spot. Let's go. On the spot.
I'm not doing that, man.
Come on. $5.25 for 12 of them.
Yeah, like 40 something cents each.
All right. Manny says 40 something. Let us know if he's right. But again, you get 12 of these. Here's the flavors again. For only $5.25. If you guys have cats, go run. Over here, we found this right here. This is the Friskies warmed served. It says Purina. What? Dip in warm water. Turn up the flavor. Wait, you dip this in warm water? Oh, we've been doing our cats dirty. All right, so, oh, look at this right here, Manny. The message appears when warm. Right there. I've never seen this, you guys. So I guess, again, you guys dip this whole bag in warm water. And when it's warm enough, the message right here will appear.
You can kind of see the message already.
I don't know, but the stuff they got these days. All right, but anyway, look at this. 50 cents. Only 50 cents. Here's the UPC. And, okay, the expiration is December 2021. So this is good, not expired. We're going to go ahead and grab a few of these for our cats. And then they have these down here. So it looks like this is the Healthy Gourmet, which is the same as these. This one is the turkey and chicken. All right, here's the UPC. And this is only 45 cents. Not bad. 45 cents. All right, the next one I found. I don't know if I could read this because this tag is right here. Hold on, you guys. I think this is turkey and sweet potato recipe. Man, they got all this for cats? Jeez. All right, so our cats are going to be eating good again. They had this one. They also had a couple other flavors over there. But you guys can see the price of 55 cents. Here's the UPC. And again, our Walmart is having a huge clearance on all cat food. So if you guys have a cat, stock up now like we are. The last one we found is the Fancy Feast. Oh, I seen this commercial. I told my cat looking at me watching this commercial, you better not even think that I'm going to buy this expensive stuff. Now my cat is going to love me. Look at that. Boom. 40 cents. I can afford that. Here's the UPC. And I'm going to go back and grab a couple more of these. Yeah, I think we should treat our cats. They've been eating bad for years.
That's nice.
Come on, Manny.
Oh, yeah, cats, you do what you want.
All right, so shout on Riley. We are bringing these home for you. All right, look what I found, you guys. I'm walking over here. Manny's going back over to the clearance. But this is a lip dazzler. And it's a dual-ended lipstick and lip topper. I don't wear much makeup, but this thing looks huge. So there's the name. You guys can see the price of $2. here is the small. Ooh, I hope you guys can read that UPC. All right, and it's only $2. I only seen this color, but you cannot beat this for $2. Good luck.